Okay, welcome back to another video, and happy Easter to everyone. It is actually Easter Sunday today, and just a few hours ago we were in a little accident with the AMG. We're going to jump right into that here, but I thought I'd just start by explaining what we were doing that day, and that was just going downtown Pittsburgh. We were going to a brunch, my wife Sydney and myself, and we're just driving down the street, and we come up to this intersection, and a guy comes from my left as I'm driving, and I see him come, and I'm thinking, well, okay, he's obviously getting in the left lane. I was in the right lane, but yeah, as you guys are about to see here, he didn't see us at all. You gotta be kidding me.
Get out!
Come on. You're fine, honey. Nothing's wrong, honey. Don't worry.
God! Honey. We're alive, it's Easter. Give me this.
So this just happened. This guy just ran right into me here. We were coming right over here, and he hit me. We got Sydney and Heather in the car as well.
Because the light not flash. No man, I just seen you.
You gotta move your car, man.
Yeah, you gotta get out of the way, dude. Oh, there's the police right here.
Honey, you're alive. Calm down. Honey, you're alive. Calm down.
Honey, everything is fine, baby. Everything is fine. I know you're scared, honey. It's okay. Everyone's safe, okay, honey bunny? Everyone's safe. I know it was scary.
Did you feel the car get hit?
Yes.
Me too. He just kept going. He wasn't even like paying attention. It's like he was like just like asleep. What the heck is wrong with people?
Could be worse. I mean, it's bad enough you're getting rid of it. You gotta fix it, but
Yeah, I mean, it's...
any possibility you can rub some of this out?
Yeah, it actually doesn't... I'm trying to figure out, is it buckled?
I don't know that it is.
No, I don't think it is buckled.
It is right here.
Yeah, it is.
That's a ding.
Yeah.
I know you got your pictures already.
Dang it.
This one here is definitely gonna have to be fixed. You got this, right?
Yeah.
Take a picture of the intersection.
So he hit me with his passenger front.
But you're going this way, he's coming this way.
Yep. I was just coming down the street here. Hopefully my dash cam is working, so I still have that footage. I don't know at this time. It cuts off and on every now and then. Just coming down here on our way to Easter dinner, my wife Sydney and I. And he comes just right here, and I get little flusters. I'm like hesitating, thinking he's just turning out to this lane. I was in this lane right here, and he just ran right into us. Unbelievable. Very nice officer just happened to drive by while this happened. He's a crime scene unit, so he's not usually doesn't deal with this stuff. I mean, luckily the car isn't too banged up. I thought it was going to be a whole lot worse than this. Slight buckling, but yeah, see, a lot of it can probably buff out. But yeah, there's gonna have to be some work done to this. Hey, are you okay, man?
Yeah, I'm okay. Yes, I'm okay.
Do you know what happened? I mean, did you not see me at all? Or?
No, I swear to God, I seen the car, first car left. I slowed down. I didn't see you. After that, I didn't see you.
I'm wondering how.
What's that?
No, I'm just asking him, like, I wonder how he didn't see me. He said he saw the car that was ahead of me, but
Yeah.
it's just weird.
But it's yours, right?
Yeah.
You want phone numbers, exchange, and all that stuff?
Yeah.
as well?
Yeah, they'll have it right here.
All right, so we are back on the road here. I mean, the car is obviously drivable. Everyone is fine. Poor Sydney is scared to death. I probably said this already, but we were on our way to Easter dinner, and we still are. We're gonna keep our plans. I mean, we're not gonna let, you know, our whole day and Easter be ruined, but this, of course, is very bad timing, as it always is when something like this happens. I'm just glad that little bub here is okay.
Arling, it just seemed like he was like asleep. Like
Yeah, but the guy comes out. I don't know if the dash cam is capturing all this, but
I hope so.
yeah, but I walk out and I'm like, dude, you don't see me? And he just goes, no. So, I mean, I guess he's dead honest. He didn't see me, and obviously he didn't, because he ran right into me.
I mean, but did he have a green light? He couldn't have. He came
No,
from the other...
it was flashing yellow. I have the right of way.
Oh.
I'm going straight. He's coming and making a turn.
Okay.
All right, so we're sitting down at the dinner table here. Very nice. Got my prime rib, some ham, very nice brunch. Check out this view. We're at a place called View, actually. Fitting.
If it were a sunny day, it would be fabulous.
Yeah. Would.
I like Grandview Saloon because you can sit outside.
How you feeling, Sissy Pooh?
She's getting better. Just a little better.
Little better. I know. That was scary. I know. But everyone's fine. That's what matters.
Probably more.
Probably, yeah, because it hit right where Sydney was sitting, pretty much. But we're gonna try to enjoy our brunch here and our Easter. Happy Easter to everyone else. All right. So after all of this, we are back from our, I guess you can call it, eventful day. And now that some time has passed, and it's still the same day, of course, you know, you can reflect a little bit. And, you know, when you look at all the events of the day, you know, we came out pretty good, to be honest with you. You know, it was scary, especially for Sydney, you know, my wife, myself as well, of course. You know, poor Sydney, she's only 9. She's never experienced anything like this before. So that was pretty heart-wrenching, you know, when I could see that she was that scared. But with all that being said, everyone's safe. Sydney's safe, my wife is safe, I am safe. Even the guy that hit us, he's safe. And my car is pretty safe as well. Like I said earlier, I mean, this part right here is pretty bad. That's like a deep scratch, and it's buckled here. The rest, I've actually got some of it off just by doing this. So some of that can buff out, but this definitely will not. You know, this whole like quarter panel is gonna have to be repainted. They're gonna have to do some body work here. But all in all, I mean, that's not that bad of damage. I thought it was gonna be a whole lot worse. My wife thought it was gonna be a whole lot worse. She's actually pretty impressed that, you know, it held up this well. Yeah, see, pretty scratched up here though. I don't know how well the camera is capturing all this. But you know, with him coming from the left and like actually, I mean, I guess you can't say ramming us because the damage isn't bad enough, but that's pretty much what he did. He came from the left and he went, he hit us, as you guys could see. And with all that in mind, it's not really that bad. And as you guys could see, the dash cam footage was indeed intact. That dash cam that I've been using, sometimes it cuts off and on, and you know, you lose some footage. Sometimes it just doesn't want to work, all kinds of weird stuff. But it did this time, and it definitely served its purpose, so I'm happy about that. Today is Sunday, so tomorrow I'm going to call my insurance agent, get this whole ball rolling, and see where we go from here. I don't know how long this is going to take, how big the process is going to be. I feel like, you know, you do still have to look at the bright side of things. You know, stuff happens in life. Stuff happened today, but we came out pretty good considering the events of the day. I made an Instagram post about this, and thanks to everyone that, you know, sent well wishes and so on. That it means a lot. But again, to end the video, at the end of the day, everyone is fine, and that's what matters. Sucks about the car, of course, but it's just a car. You know, we had 3 lives in there today, and nothing happened to them. and that's all that matters. So, with this being said, I mean, I don't really know how you end a video like this. I don't know if I should ask you guys if you enjoyed it, but maybe you did. And if you did, I guess give the video a thumbs up if you're stopping by for the first time and you haven't already. And you want to, please subscribe. I'll keep you guys, of course, updated on the whole process and the next steps and all that good stuff. So, yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.